Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 174 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He reads the questions, he answers the questions. We read all the questions and answers, and we put them here for you from the Carnival Conquest. So on today's episode, we're talking about, I read on the internet, John said, don't put your luggage under the bed. I need a sharps container. How do I get one for this cruise? Can we put the ship floors on the back of the ship's card? Are there fishbowls on the Firenze? And what's that picture behind John in his 3-minute videos?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question 1. This cruiser said that some random folks on the internet have said that John discourages people from dropping off their luggage and from putting these under the bed when they're done unpacking. Is it true? John said he has no idea what they are talking about, as he has never discouraged anyone from putting items under the bed. We do it all the time. That's where we put our luggage. They slide, and now we have hard case ones, and I think they're 28 inches. They still slide right under the bed, so you're not putting them in the closet, you're not putting them anywhere that's in your way, because as we all know, the cabins are not the largest. So, yes, you can absolutely put them under the bed. Question 2. This cruiser needs to take a medication that is an injection, but it's only once. So they want to know, they need a sharp container, can request it to the room, but they don't want a sharp container wasted for just one sharp. Are there any other places on the ship where maybe they can dispose of this? John said they do not have ship containers in the restrooms or, well, anywhere in the public areas, and they need to request one for the room. He said just write to him a few days before the cruise, and he can arrange it for you as well. Or you can go to Carnival's website, do it 30 days, I believe it is, before at least the cruise, and they can request a sharps container be sent to your room. There you go. So if you like to not leave random needles everywhere, get a sharps container. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question 3. This cruiser wanted to know if Carnival would ever considering putting basically a deck plan on the back of your sail and sign card. John said they would need to make it really small print, but he'll pass this up to the beards. So yeah, ship cards. Since we're on a ship, that's the back of a ship card. That's the print on the front. How are you going to put a ship on the back there? I don't know. Anyway, they used to have the little ship maps, I guess, services when you came in, and they're like a trifold, and it showed you everything. I wish they would bring those back. They were so handy. I know we have the Hub app now. I'm old. I like things that are paper. Sorry. All right, question 4. This cruiser saw a few menu drinks that mentioned fish bowls, and they wanted to know if the Firenze will have this on there as well. John said this particular ship does not offer that option, but there are certainly some special drinks at the specialty bars. The fishbowl for us that I've pretty much only seen it at is at the Red Frog Pub. And it's huge. It's freaking huge. But I don't think I've seen it anywhere else. I know you can get growlers at Guy's, but yeah. Anyway, it's not going to be on the Firenze. They don't have those type of things there. It's an Italian style. I don't guess Italians don't do fish bowls. Speaking of Italians, here's the last question. This cruiser was curious about the artwork behind John when he does his 3-minute videos on Facebook. John said it's actually a photo of Tony Soprano, the character played by the actor James Gandolfini. It was given to him as a present, and it is one of his favorite things. So I'm sure a ton of people have wondered what that is, that picture that's behind John during his videos. It's Tony Soprano, eh? Anyway, that's been episode 174 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.